With Nvidia stock being up already over 40% in value, in today's video, we are going to be talking about what's going on with Nvidia. Is this the best stock to invest in for 2024, or is this thing overhyped and we're doomed for sell-off? So I hope you guys all enjoy it. If you guys do, hit that like button and subscribe. Now, for those of you that don't know who I am, my name is Carter. I'm a full-time trader in the stock market, and we do have very, very exciting news. We have a brand new school where we talk about my strategies, my mindset on how I find stocks and opportunity in the stock market. If you guys want to check it out, you guys can, and you guys can use code YouTube to get 20% off. So check it out down below. I'll see you in there. But guys, let's dive into this. Let's go. So for those of you that don't know what Nvidia is a computer and graphics card company that pretty much over the past year has seen extreme growth. Last year in 2023, this thing has historically beaten the S&P 500, the Dow Jones, and NASDAQ. It had a return of over 200% in a single year, which is absolutely incredible. Now, anytime you see a stock go up that much that quick, a lot of people thought going into 2024 we would have massive amounts of sell-off, but that is not the case. With Nvidia, the stock is already up over 49% year to date. So a lot of people have been asking this question of, is this thing ever gonna sell off? Now, in order to answer and actually evaluate a stock, let's actually look at some of the fundamentals. Now, looking at the revenue, you guys will see the revenue is up over 205%, which is awesome. Not to mention looking at the gross profit margin, which is up 321%, meaning yes, we're seeing increasing revenue, increasing gross profit margin, meaning there's more money left over to grow the business even larger. Now, another cool thing that Nvidia offers is a small dividend of about 4 cents a quarter, which might not seem like much, but if you actually have thousands of shares, that 4 cents could easily add up and compound on itself, and you'll be making some good money passively. Now, Nvidia does have a little bit of debt, near around $8 billion worth of debt, which might seem like a lot of money, but for a massive company like Nvidia, this is just pocket change because they have over $18 billion in cash. So if they ever go through a hard time or rough time or a recession, they can use that cash, pay off the debt, and continue to grow the business that way and continue to invest and pay the employees and grow it even larger. Now, a lot of analysts lately, like Barclays, Goldman Sachs, have been absolutely hyping this stock up. That's pretty much one of the reasons why we've seen so much buying pressure among Nvidia. But the average analyst price target for Nvidia is near and around $683, which honestly, as the stock is over $700 as of right now, meaning we could see a little bit of a pullback, a little bit of sell-off. But we do see some very, very high price targets over $1,100, which is quite a lot, and the lowest near around $500. Now, a lot of people always ask me and they say, Carter, are you investing into Nvidia? And I think that goes without saying. Nvidia is in a bunch of different ETFs that I'm invested in, tech ETFs, AI ETFs, the S&P 500. But honestly, yes, I do own individual shares of Nvidia. And the reason why I love Nvidia is because of artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence has been rated one of the best sectors to invest in for 2024 all the way up till 2030. A lot of analysts are giving AI a return of about 38% annually, so per year, for the next 10 years. So companies like Nvidia are going to play a key factor into growing the AI sector, which companies like ChatGPT has been the fastest online server to get over 100 million users, which is incredible, beating social media giants like Facebook, like Instagram. So AI definitely has a ton of potential, and I really think Nvidia could play a very key factor in that. But yeah, as of right now, I definitely see us getting a little bit of some temporary sell-off. I'm not saying forever, but some sort of pullback, honestly, is probably justified just because the stock has already squeezed up so much last year and now this year, and stocks only can go up so high. A lot of people think that when you're buying stocks, they only go up, and obviously that's not the case. So I definitely think a good strategy for investing into these growth stocks like Nvidia and different artificial intelligence ETFs would be to dollar cost average it. Dollar cost averaging, you invest consistently. So maybe you invest once a week or every other week or whatever you guys choose, but you invest consistently. What this does is, as of right now, Nvidia can be a little overvalued. So if you buy it now and we get sell-off, you just average down that price, so once it recovers, you make a lot more money. This is a very good strategy to invest into growth stocks that still carry a ton of potential, but could be a little temporary overvalued as of right now. But overall, Nvidia for me is an absolute buy. So that's just my opinion, guys. I hope you guys all enjoyed it. If you guys did, hit that like button and subscribe. If you guys have any questions, let me know down in the comments. Don't forget to check out my swing trading course where you guys can learn how I trade stocks, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Take care.